A key chemical used in many gel polishes, the nail polishes that folks get, and other cosmetics, is now banned in the European Union. Leaders say TPO is potentially toxic to humans.
A chemical in your nail polish was detected inside your body 10 hours after you painted your nails, not inhaled. Absorbed directly through your nail bed into your bloodstream. Duke University and the Environmental Working Group tested 26 women. They found a 7-fold increase in a hormone-disrupting metabolite called DPHP just 10 hours after a single application. The chemical responsible is called Triphenyl Phosphate, and it is in one of the best-selling nail products at every drugstore in America right now. 7 nail polish brands with concerning ingredients, 3 that are genuinely clean. No sponsorships. Number 7. Revlon Nail Enamel. About $7. Credit to Revlon. They removed formaldehyde and toluene. That puts them ahead of where the industry was 10 years ago. But the current formula contains benzophenin 1. This is a UV stabilizer that prevents the polish color from fading in sunlight. It also acts as an endocrine disruptor. Studies show it mimics estrogen in the body. The formula also contains polyethylene terephthalate. That is a microplastic. In your nail polish, on your fingers, that you touch your food with, touch your face with, touch your eyes with. Number 6. Essie. About $10. Essie markets itself as 8 free. That sounds impressive until you read what is still in the formula. Toxicologist epoxy resin. This is the film former that gives Essie its signature glossy finish. Approximately 6.6% of the population is allergic to this ingredient. It causes contact dermatitis, red itchy skin, eyelid swelling from touching your face after painting your nails. The benzophenin 1. Same endocrine disruptor as Revlon, and buried near the bottom of the ingredient list. Talc. In a nail polish. The same mineral at the center of 67,000 active lawsuits. Number 5. OPI Original Nail Lacquer. $12. I have to be fair here. OP made genuine progress. Their newer lines like Nature Strong are 9 free and vegan. They removed TPHP, ethyl tocosamide, and the entire toxic trio. But the classic original lacquer line that has been on shelves for decades still uses tocosamide formaldehyde resin in many shades. That is the same allergen causing eyelid dermatitis in Essie. If you buy OPI, check which line you are grabbing. Nature Strong is clean. Original lacquer still has resin concerns. Same brand, different chemistry depending on which bottle you pick up. Number 4. Any gel manicure using HEMA. This includes gelish, DND, and most standard salon gels. HEMA is hydroxyethyl methacrylate. It is the monomer that makes gel polish stick to your nail and cure hard under UV light. And it is causing an allergy epidemic. If uncured gel touches the skin around your cuticle before you put your hand under the lamp, HEMA can penetrate your skin and trigger a permanent immune response. Once you are sensitized, you do not just become allergic to gel nails. You can become allergic to dental fillings, joint replacement adhesives, medical devices that use the same acrylate chemistry. The EU restricted HEMA to professional use only because the risk of DIY application is too high, and then there is the UV lamp. A 2023 UC San Diego study published in Nature Communications found that a single 20-minute session under a UV nail lamp caused 20 to 30% cell death. 3 sessions caused 65 to 70% cell death with DNA mutations identical to those found in skin cancer. If you are learning something new, hit subscribe. No nail polish brand sponsors this channel. Let us keep going. Number 3. I am not naming one brand here. I am naming an ingredient hiding in multiple brands. Benzophenin 1. It appears in Essie, Revlon, and Sally Hansen. 3 of the biggest nail polish brands in America all use the same endocrine-disrupting UV stabilizer. This chemical absorbs UV light to prevent color fading, but it also absorbs through the nail bed. Once in the bloodstream, it mimics estrogen. Studies link chronic exposure to thyroid dysfunction and reproductive concerns. When 3 of the top 5 drugstore nail brands all use the same hormone disruptor, the problem is not one brand. The problem is an industry standard that the US has not caught up to restricting. Number 2. Any nail polish still containing toluene or formaldehyde. The good news is most major US brands have removed these. The bad news is they still exist in cheap imports, dollar store brands, and unregulated products on Amazon and TikTok Shop. Toluene is a neurotoxin. It crosses the placenta. High exposure during pregnancy is linked to low birth weight and developmental delays. Formaldehyde is classified by the IARC as a Group 1 known human carcinogen. It causes nasopharyngeal cancer and leukemia with chronic exposure. Washington State banned it from all cosmetics effective September 2025. If your nail polish costs $2 from a brand you have never heard of, flip it over. If toluene or formaldehyde are listed, throw it away immediately. Number 1. The most concerning nail product on mainstream drugstore shelves. Sally Hansen Insta-Dry Top Coat, $6. This is not a fringe brand. This is not an import. This is Sally Hansen, one of the most trusted names in nail care. At every CVS, Target, and Walmart in America. The ingredient list contains triphenyl phosphate, TPHP, listed as the 7th ingredient. TPHP is a plasticizer that replaced DBP after DBP was identified as a reproductive toxicant. The replacement is not much better. A Duke University and EWG study tested 26 women. They painted their nails with polish containing TPHP. Within 10 to 14 hours, researchers detected a 7-fold increase in the TPHP metabolite DPHP in their urine, 7 times higher, from a single application. When they repeated the test with participants wearing gloves on synthetic nails, the levels did not rise, proving the chemical absorbs directly through the nail bed, not through inhalation, through your nails. TPHP is documented to disrupt hormone regulation and affect metabolism. You absorb it every time you paint your nails. And Sally Hansen puts it in a product designed to be applied on top of every manicure you do. The ingredient list also contains benzophenone 1, the same hormone disruptor we already discussed, plus alcohol denat as the 2nd ingredient, which dehydrates and damages the nail plate. $6. A hormone disruptor absorbed through your nails within 10 hours, another hormone disruptor on top of it, and drying alcohol as the 2nd ingredient in the most popular quick-dry top coat in America. 7 concerning products. Now 3 that are genuinely clean. Safe number 3. Ella plus Mila, $11, 17 free. No TPHP, no benzophenone 1, no tocolamide resin, no toluene, no formaldehyde. Apita certified vegan and cruelty-free, available at Target for $11, the same price as the polishes on the avoid list. Proof that clean nail polish does not have to cost more. Safe number 2, Zoya, $12, 10 free, verified TPHP free, verified ethyl tocolamide free, 550 colors, the biggest shade range of any clean nail polish brand on the market. Professional grade performance without the professional grade toxins. If you want the widest color selection with the cleanest chemistry, Zoya is the gold standard. Safe number 1, tenoverten, $15, 8 free, no TPHP, no ethyl tocolamide, no formaldehyde resin. The formula is specifically designed to strengthen your nails while you wear it, not just color them. It gives a gel-like cushioned finish without HEMA, without UV lamps, without the permanent allergy risk. And when you are done with the bottle, Tenoverten runs a recycling program to properly dispose of and recycle old polished bottles, caps and brushes. $15 for the cleanest, most health-focused nail polish formula available. Like and subscribe. Tell me what nail polish you use in the comments. See you in the next one.